Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore something new and super helpful: how to find all the links you've sent on WhatsApp using the PC app. If you've ever struggled to track down a link you shared days or weeks ago, this new feature will make things a lot easier. Let's jump right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the account you usually use. Once everything is loaded, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a small icon that looks like a paperclip or a media symbol. Click on that. When the media menu opens, you'll notice three categories: media, docs, and links. Go ahead and choose links. This is where all the links shared in that chat or group are stored. You'll see them displayed neatly, with previews and details about when each one was sent. Now, here's where the new update comes into play. At the top of the window, there's a small sort icon. Click on it and a few filtering options will appear. Select you and WhatsApp will instantly filter the links to show only the ones you've sent. It's a quick, simple way to see your messages separate from everyone else's. From there, you can scroll through your shared links, open them directly, or copy them again if you need to resend or save them. This feature is especially useful if you often share articles, videos, or important URLs, but don't want to dig through endless conversations to find them. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can locate every link you've sent through WhatsApp on your computer. It's clean, fast, and efficient, just like it should be. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to use this method next time you're looking for an old link. It's a real time saver and one of the most practical updates WhatsApp has added recently.